Hello my dear students. Today we are going to start chapter 2 computer language for grade 6. So let's start. Now what is language and what is a computer language? So what is language? My dear children, we all communicate with each other. That is, we express our views and ideas through a medium called language. To communicate with computer also, we have to use a computer language. So what exactly is computer language? As we communicate with all in a language, computers also communicate through a language called computer language. A computer language is also called as programming language. These languages are used to write set of instructions called program. And program tell computers what to do, and who write these programs are called programmers. So now we will discuss types of computer languages. So there are three types: low level language, high level language and fourth generation language. Today we are going to discuss about low level language. Low level language, as the name suggests, this language is the language which computer can understand directly. Okay, so you all know that computer understand only the language of 0 and 1. So this is a language consists of 0 and 1. So computer cannot understand instructions given in English like sentences. It can only understand and execute instructions given in the form of machine language, that is 0 and 1. There are two types of low level languages: machine language, assembly language. What is machine language? Machine language is basically the only language which computer can understand directly. The codes are represented using 0 and 1. The symbol 0 means off and 1 means on. What are the advantages? Advantages of machine language are: it makes fast and efficient use of computer. It requires no translator to translate the codes. Now what is a translator? Translator is something that converts one language into another language. For example, I can speak in English, but you don't understand English. So to convert English into Hindi, I need a translator, and then it will be communicated with you. Similarly, if we are talking to computer directly in 0 and 1 language, so there is no translator required. That is why it is fast and efficient also. Then we have the disadvantages also, because we are working in direct language 0 and 1. So the operation codes have to be remembered. The memory addresses has to be remembered. It is very hard and correct to find errors. These languages are machine dependent, that is, can be used only on one type of computer. Next we have the second category of low level languages, assembly language. Now assembly language was developed to overcome the problem faced by humans with machine language. In assembly language, instead of 0 and 1 which is used to write, which we were writing in machine language, we are using operation codes and operands in the form of alphanumeric symbols. Again I am repeating, we are using operation codes and operands in the form of alphanumeric symbols. These symbols are called mnemonic codes. For example, add, for addition we will use ADD, add. For subtraction we use SUB. So what is add and what is SUB? These are mnemonic codes. Next we have advantages. So what are the advantages? It is easier to understand and use as compared to machine language. It is easy to correct and find errors. It can be modified easily. Disadvantages: like machine language, it is also machine dependent. It is not directly understood by computer, hence requires a translator. Now in this, because we are not talking to 0 and 1, we are talking in mnemonic codes. So that mnemonic codes has to be converted in 0 and 1 first, and then will be understood by computer. So that is why we require a translator. Also, to use this language, programmers must have knowledge of the hardware. So this was all about the today's topic. We discussed about what is language, what is computer language, and the categories of computer languages, that is low level, high level and fourth generation. and we discussed about low level language. So understand the video, do watch it carefully, okay, and if you have any doubts, note it down. Thank you.